Welcome, students. Welcome to my class. And today I have brought here the questions, okay, from mensuration, okay. And here the length, breadth, you can tell it. The figures will be given there, and the figure will be given like this. Okay, I want to draw here first. By looking this figure, we have to find the area. Okay, figure is given like this. Look here. The figure is given in rectangular shape. Okay, like this given. Figure is given like this. Okay, and here at the middle of this rectangle, okay, there is given shaded part one, this one part given, look here, and this part is, look here, okay, this part is whole shaded, okay, this part is totally shaded, okay, this is totally shaded part of this figure, and here is shaded part, okay, and here is given at the middle of this one, okay, here is given another path here also, like this given at the middle one, okay, and this side, okay, here is given also the path shaded one part, this part is shaded, okay, like this given here, and question asking us to find the area of these two, cross path here, right? And other mensuration, this one measurement here also we can tell from here to here, this length, okay, this length is given there 20, okay, this length is given there 20 meter, okay, here is given 20 meter, and this breadth part is given there 12 meter, here is given there 12 meter, okay, here is given there 12 meter, and this path one from here to here, okay, this is given there 2 meter, this is given there 2 meter, the breadth of this shaded one part is given there 2 meter, and here also this part also given from here to here, this is 2 meter, okay, this is also given there 2 meter, and question has asked us to find the area of this shaded part, okay, here is given area of shaded part equals what? Area of shaded part, area of the shaded part equals to what? This is the main question here, okay, area of shaded part equals to what? Question mark, okay, and look here, for this look, there are the two paths, okay, here, two paths here, and this is, towards the length, and this is towards the breadth. That's why, look here, when we find the area of these two paths, okay, at that time, look at this middle one part is repeated. This middle part is repeated, okay, which I am shading here a bit dark here. This part is shaded, okay, this part is shaded, that's why. And this is the, in the form of this dark one part, middle one. This is in the form of square because its length also, breadth also 2 meter, okay. And look here, student, first for this one, okay, for this path and this path, right here, solution, write a solution first here. In this solution, what you have to do, write here area of area of that is shaded part, okay. The shaded part is the area of cross path, okay. area of shaded part, right, area of shaded part, okay, equals to, look what you have to do, this is the length equals to 20, okay, for this path, okay. Right there is length into breadth, right, for this one, okay, for this one length is 20 and breadth is 2 meter only, okay. And for this one, the path which is along this breadth one, the length of this path is 12 meter and breadth is 2 meter. That's why here also L into B, okay, L into B there is, but the measurement will be different. And minus, look here, when you draw these two paths, this part, shaded part one is the square form, okay, that one is repeated. That's why while finding the area, this repeated part should be subtracted, right, L square, because this shaded part, dark part is repeated, it is 2 times, that's why 1 time we have to subtract here. Then first we okay, length from here to here, this is 20, right here 20 meter, okay, 20 meter, and its breadth is, we know this is given there, 2 meter, right here 2 meter, okay. And for this next one, the path along this breadth, this length is given 12 meter, right there 12 meter, okay, into, and breadth of this path is 2 meter, right there 2 meter, okay, and minus, and this length one, this middle one, dark one part, this is repeated, that's why we have to subtract it 1, that is 2 meter whole square, okay, meter whole square it is, okay. Like this you have to do. Look children, and here now let's multiply them. What will come here, okay, 22 it will be here 40 meter square, okay, here 40 meter square plus, and this 12 we know it's 24, right, 24 meter square, okay. And we know this 2 meter square means this 2 meter whole square means it will be 4 meter whole square, okay. And then let's add them first, 40 and 24, okay, 40 plus 24 to first, 40, right, plus 24, then that is 64. Yes, this and this added, this will be here now, 64 meter square, okay. And then minus 4 meter square, right? And then when you subtract them, 64 minus 4, it will come here now 60 meter square. Like this we find here, therefore area of shaded region or area of shaded part, area of shaded part right there, okay? Area of shaded part or portion, area of shaded part is coming here, okay? There is 60 meter square. Okay, children, this is the area of this shaded part. This is the answer, okay? Like this we find the area of this shaded part. Once again I repeat, for this one along the length of this path is 20 and breadth is 2, and along this breadth one, length of this path is 12 and breadth is 2. Then while drawing these two paths, this part is repeated, that's why the repeated part is that is square form, that we have to subtract there, okay? This one, and then we got here 60 meters square, okay? That is right. The answer 60 meters square is the required answer of this question. I hope you understood it. And thank you very much. Keep practicing mathematics today this much only. And we'll meet again in the next class. This one part, okay? Here, this was like this. And this is 60 meters square, okay? This is coming 60 meters square here.